How many German Leopards are still left on the battlefield in Ukraine? Are they nearly all gone? Until now, the role of the Leopard tank in the Ukrainian battlefield has increasingly been questioned. Once, these German-made tanks were famous for being highly reliable armored vehicles, with a reputation as a key force in land armies. However, day by day, in this harsh and challenging battlefield, the Leopards seem to no longer possess the toughness that many had hoped for. Many reports reveal that these tanks, despite their advanced technology, have met tragic fates, often shattering the hopes of Ukrainian forces who relied heavily on them. But what if there's a breakthrough to upgrade the Leopards? Could that change Ukraine's increasingly dire situation? Keep your eyes on the story. The presence of FPV drones on the battlefield has become an unexpected new threat. You know this, right? The speed and agility of drones, which are typically used for reconnaissance, have now become powerful weapons of destruction. In a recent incident, an FPV drone launched by Russian forces around Krasnoarmeysk took Ukrainian forces by surprise. A motorized rifle formation from the center group moving toward the area was looking for targets that posed a threat to their side. Without warning, the drone swooped down sharply, quickly heading toward the front of a Leopard tank that was on the attack route. Such deep and unexpected attacks have further damaged the reputation of the Leopard, which had already suffered significant losses at the hands of Russia. The increasing number and sophistication of drones are further threatening the resilience of these armored vehicles. Drones equipped with fiber-optic systems, capable of guiding attacks with precision, leave little opportunity for Leopard tanks and other armored vehicles in that area to survive for long. What was once seen as a major threat now poses a huge problem that is difficult to solve amid the dynamics of modern warfare. If there is a push to increase the number or quality of Leopard tanks in Ukraine, will it change the fate of this increasingly struggling nation? It may not be easy to answer, as the battlefield, increasingly dominated by new technologies such as drones and precision weapons, has clearly shifted the paradigm of modern warfare. While additional Leopard tanks could strengthen Ukraine's forces, the challenges faced are not just about the quantity or strength of armored vehicles. The speed, technology, and new tactics employed by the enemy are increasingly threatening. Without a more adaptive strategy, the role of the Leopard may not significantly change the deteriorating situation for Ukraine. After a series of intense assaults that led to the destruction of several Leopard 1 and Leopard 2 tank units on the Ukrainian battlefield, Germany began to reflect and reassess the strength of their combat machines. Disappointment over their vulnerability to missile attacks and various other modern threats became a valuable lesson. From this, the German team of engineers and designers began formulating their next major project, the development of the Leopard 3 main battle tank, which is planned for introduction in 2030. In the early sketches, the Leopard 3 appeared with several striking differences compared to its predecessors. Learning from the experience in Ukraine pushed Germany to prioritize improvements in firepower. In this new design, the Leopard 3 will be equipped with various types of 130mm ammunition, adaptable to different situations and battlefields. Additionally, more advanced protection technologies have been introduced. High-spec armor and more effective defense systems are expected to provide additional layers of protection against an increasingly diverse range of threats. Moreover, the mobility of the Leopard 3 will be far superior. With advanced technology, this tank is designed to automatically adapt to different types of terrain, offering an advantage when crossing difficult and challenging territories. This innovation ensures that Germany's newest combat tank will be more agile and resilient in various conditions. However, despite these advancements, the design and concept of the Leopard 3 are still in the development stage, and to this day, no final form has been revealed to the public. Reports indicate that various vital components will be supplied by leading companies such as Rheinmetall, which will provide ammunition, Liebherr Group, which will supply the engine, Hensoldt, which will develop protection systems, and K&DS Germany, which will enhance mission systems and electronic integration. If this tank materializes as planned in 2030, it is widely assumed by various sources that Leopard 3 will undoubtedly become one of the deadliest war machines. What if Leopard 3 were to appear on the Ukrainian battlefield? Would this new power be enough to face Russia, which is also continuously advancing in terms of weaponry and strategy? Or would Leopard 3 simply be seen as just another ordinary technological upgrade by Russia? According to Sputnik, a report revealed that Russian tank experts working at Uralvagonzavod, the largest manufacturer of tanks and armored vehicles in Russia, stated that Western military equipment does not actually have any significant advantages. On one occasion, they examined the German-made Leopard tank, which was at the time a hot topic of speculation. There was information circulating that the tank contained sensitive technology that might be highly advanced. However, after a thorough inspection, these claims were found to be untrue. The Leopard 2A6 actually proved to be vulnerable to anti-tank missile attacks, as well as attacks from unmanned aerial vehicles. This finding further reinforced the claim that the Leopard tank is not something remarkable on the battlefield. Leave your thoughts on the Leopard tank, and thanks for watching.